name is Jean Day, and I'm the Nutrition Program Associate for University of Missouri Extension in Phelps County. And Rachel Buneman, who is my County Engagement Specialist, asked if I would make a video about a food that would fit into the Mediterranean diet for our nutrition class on Thursday. Rachel's a registered dietitian. She approved my recipe choice, so we're going to make hummus today. As you might know, it's mainly made from chickpeas. This is a plant-based protein, and that fits right into the Mediterranean diet and is a very healthy snack. And while we're all kind of in our houses, we probably are all looking for healthy snack ideas and ways that we can fix foods simply that everybody will like. The recipe for this hummus is found on foodhero.org. That's the recipe site for University Extension in the state of Oregon. Great recipes. You can sort them different ways. If you're looking for a recipe that has 5 or fewer ingredients or that's kid-friendly, you can find it there. Our other ingredients after the chickpeas, and I'm going to show you the chickpeas, they're drained and rinsed. And I did drain them into a measuring cup because I plan to make the aquafaba cookies later today. You do what you want with them, but you can Google that. I don't think I've seen that on Food Hero. We also need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This can be fresh or bottled. I don't happen to have a lemon right now, but I have bottled lemon juice. If it matters to you, you have lemons, and I just don't. You could probably use a lime. 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. This is olive oil, which we know to be very healthy. A half a cup of plain non-fat yogurt. There is a recipe on Food Hero to make hummus with the tahini, which is a sesame seed paste. I picked this one because although I have tahini at my house because we're food nerds, maybe you're not. And so if you got the container of yogurt, you probably have a lot of other things you already know to do with yogurt. You can substitute it for sour cream in baking. You can make parfaits with fruit and granola. You don't have to stare at that jar in your refrigerator that you're not sure what else to do with. The seasonings for this recipe are 1 clove of garlic or a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I do have powder. Again, we're in our house. We don't have a lot of choices. Black pepper, cumin. Now, while I was looking for the pepper in the cabinet, I found the white pepper first. We use a grinder, and I had the peppercorns, but we thought this might be a good, I thought this, I smelled it, and I thought this would probably work. And then I also considered my McCormick Perfect Pinch Mediterranean herb, because I thought if you didn't have these seasonings and you've got something like this, go ahead and use it. The recipe on Food Hero does call for a blender. I'm using my food processor today because that's just going to work a little better for me. First thing that we're going to put in to our food processor are our garbanzo beans. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Here's my oil, which is going to be a liquid measure. So I can't put any of the seasonings in the same spoon. A half a cup of non-fat plain yogurt. A 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Now that's all right here in the bowl of the food processor. I need to take it over there to put it on an outlet because it's electric, and I'll bring it back when it's blended together. I'm back. The ingredients were in my food processor bowl running for about 2 minutes. I looked at the clock before I started it, so we knew. The recipe specifies if it's too thick, you can put in a little water. You can also start with a bag of dried chickpeas and soak them. Food Hero tells you about that too. Well, here is our hummus. And if the next time you need a snack, you can use whole grain crackers for dipping in your hummus, carrots, pepper strips. Remember that we want to get different colors of vegetables, so if you find stoplight peppers at the store, you can have your plant protein with a little bit of dairy for some calcium, healthy olive oil. You can have different colors of vegetables, and you can have those whole grain crackers. And I hope that you will give the Food Hero hummus recipe a try and come back on Thursdays to see what Rachel has planned. Thank you.